the manifold demands of the office of the President of Junior Chamber International Seremban 2013, and conscious of the heavy responsibilities and the honor associated therewith, hereby pledge myself to the utmost of my ability to devote my energies to the service of these organizations and its members, to direct my effort towards the training and development of young people through more effective operation of my board of directors, to act at all times with due humility, dignity, and without selfish and narrow motive, and to endeavor throughout my term to office to contribute to the growth and process of these organizations, and make this earnest pledge that I shall discharge my responsibilities to the of Junior Chamber International Seremban and the community.
By the power vested in me under the Constitution and bylaw of Junior Chamber International Seremban, I hereby proclaim you JCI member Timothy Teo Kim Hong, the year 2013 President of Junior Chamber International Seremban. Congratulations.
Again, let's give a round of applause to our newly